Hello everyone, welcome to Bio Classes. Today we will study another chapter of environmental studies, that is urbanization and its effect on society. Urbanization has become a common feature of Indian society. Growth of industries contributed growth of cities. As a result, people from rural areas moved to urban areas having industries for employment. Urbanization can also be defined as a process of concentration of population in a particular area. Causes of urbanization. Number one cause is the industrialization. It is a major cause of urbanization which has expanded employment opportunities. Rural people migrate to cities for better employment. Number two cause is the social factors. Many social factors are responsible for migration to cities, such as better standard of living, better education facilities, better sanitation and housing, better health care. These are social factors. Number three is the employment opportunities. In rural sector, people have to depend mainly on agriculture for their livelihood. But in urban areas, there are ample of job opportunities which continually draw people from rural areas to seek better livelihood. Next, number 4 comes the modernization. Urban areas having sophisticated technology, better infrastructure, communication facilities, medical facilities, enlightenment, etc. are found in urban areas. People feel that they can lead a comfortable life in cities and migrate to cities. Another interesting factor occurs due to the urbanization, that is known as the rural-urban transformation. It is an interesting aspect that not only cities are growing in number but rural community is adopting urban culture. Thus, it can be noticed that there are significant changes in the lifestyle of village people. The literacy rate has increased, adoption of modern technology also increased in rural areas. Effects of urbanization. So, due to urbanization in the society, we will found positive effects and negative effects. Positive effects are migration of rural people to urban areas, employment opportunities in urban centers are more, transport and communication facilities are also found in urban areas. Educational facilities increase in the standard of living. So, due to different types of facilities, standard of living of people has increased in urban areas. There are also negative effects due to urbanization. Number one is the problem of overpopulation. Due to migration of rural people to urban areas, population increases in urban areas and overpopulation occurs. Overpopulation leads to accommodation problem which results growth of slums. So, the rural people or poor people, they migrate to urban areas for their livelihood, and due to insufficient housing or accommodation problem, slum areas develops in the urban areas. Number 2, cost of living. High cost of living is a major problem of cities. It is very difficult for lower income groups to maintain a decent standard of living. So, in cities, the cost of living is high. So, the poor people, they or low income group people, they face different problems. Disintegration of joint family. Joint family cannot be maintained in cities on account of high cost of living. Next comes the unemployment problem. It is estimated that more than half of unemployed youths around the globe live in metropolitan cities. Next comes the urban crime. Issues of lack of resources, overcrowding, unemployment, poverty, and lack of education leads to many social problems including violence, drug abuse, theft, murder, cheating, rape, etc. These are found in urban areas. Next comes the water and sanitation problem. Overpopulation leads to inadequate sewage facilities. Sanitation becomes poor and sewage drained into neighboring rivers, lakes, streams, etc., which contaminates water. Slum areas particularly experience poor sanitation and insufficient water supply, which is susceptible to communicable diseases. So, in urban areas, in urban slums, communicable diseases more more. So, urban life is also characterized by stress. Then comes the stress or mental problem due to urban life and due to different problems faced by people. They fall into different diseases and stress is one of them. So, thank you all.